And next we have fork. In Nepali it's kaँटा. Kaँटा. Can you pass me that bowl? In Nepali you can ask तिमी मलाई त्यो कचौरा दिन सक्छौ? And next we have bag. In Nepali it's झोला. The pillow was soft and comfortable. In Nepali you can say सिरानी नरम र आरामदायक थियो. Hello and namaste. It's me Bimala Shrestha. Today we will learn some of the names of household items in Nepali. As we know, household items are the key players in managing home. For household items in Nepali it's घरायसी सामग्री. घरायसी सामग्री. Let us start with the word kitchen. For kitchen in Nepali it's भान्सा. भान्सा. Or we also say भान्सा कोठा. भान्सा कोठा. For example, if you have to say I'm in the kitchen, in Nepali you can say म भान्सामा छु. म भान्सामा छु. And next we have spoon. In Nepali it's चम्चा. चम्चा. If you want to say I want to eat with spoon, in Nepali you can say म चम्चाले खान चाहन्छु. म चम्चाले खान चाहन्छु. And next we have bowl. In Nepali it's कचौरा. कचौरा. For example, if you have to say can you pass me that bowl, in Nepali you can ask तिमी मलाई त्यो कचौरा दिन सक्छौ? तिमी मलाई त्यो कचौरा दिन सक्छौ? And next we have knife. In Nepali it's चक्कु. चक्कु. For example, you should not play with a knife. In Nepali you can say तिमी चक्कुसँग खेल्नु हुँदैन. तिमी चक्कुसँग खेल्नु हुँदैन. And next we have plate. In Nepali it's थाल. थाल. For example, if you want to ask what is the price of this plate, you can ask in Nepali यो थालको मूल्य कति हो? यो थालको मूल्य कति हो? And next we have frying pan. Frying pan. In Nepali it's tawa. Tawa. If you want to say the frying pan is hot, in Nepali you can say tawa तातो छ. तावा तातो छ. And next we have fork. In Nepali it's काँटा. काँटा. For example, she is eating with a fork. In Nepali you can say उनी काँटाले खाइरहेकी छिन्. उनी काँटाले खाइरहेकी छिन्. And next we have chair. In Nepali it's kursi. Kursi. For example, if we have to say the chair is broken, in Nepali you can say kursi भाँचिएको छ. kursi भाँचिएको छ. And next we have curtain. In Nepali it's पर्दा. पर्दा. For example, you need to buy a curtain. In Nepali you can say तिमीले पर्दा किन्नु पर्छ. तिमीले पर्दा किन्नु पर्छ. And next we have cupboard. In Nepali it's दराज. दराज. For example, he put all the clothes in the cupboard. In Nepali you can say उसले सबै लुगाहरू दराजमा राख्यो. उसले सबै लुगाहरू दराजमा राख्यो. Here for clothes, in Nepali it's luga. Luga. And for all, in Nepali it's सबै. सबै. And next we have pillow. In Nepali it's सिरानी. सिरानी. For example, if you want to say the pillow was soft and comfortable, in Nepali you can say सिरानी नरम र आरामदायक थियो. सिरानी नरम र आरामदायक थियो. Here for soft in Nepali it's naram. Naram. And for comfortable in Nepali it's aramdayak. Aramdayak. And next we have bed. In Nepali it's khat. Khat. For example, if you want to say this bed is comfortable, in Nepali you can say यो खाट आरामदायक छ. यो खाट आरामदायक छ. And next we have bag. In Nepali it's झोला. झोला. For example, if you want to say I would like to buy a bag, in Nepali you can say म एउटा झोला किन्न चाहन्छु. म एउटा झोला किन्न चाहन्छु. And next we have fan. In Nepali it's पङ्खा. पङ्खा. For example, if you want to ask, does this fan work? In Nepali you can ask, यो पङ्खा चल्छ? यो पङ्खा चल्छ? And next we have glass. In Nepali it's गिलास. गिलास. For example, to say give me a glass of water, in Nepali you can say मलाई एक गिलास पानी दिनुहोस्. मलाई एक गिलास पानी दिनुहोस्. That's it for today. I hope you have found today's video helpful to you, and if you want to learn some more about household items, you can also visit our website. I believe after watching this video, now it will be easier for you to purchase household items in Nepali language from Nepali shopkeeper and discuss them in Nepali with Nepalese people. If you have found today's video helpful to you, then you can like and share the video. And if you have any confusions or questions, then you can comment below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you can subscribe it to learn more Nepali with us. Thank you.